to play around a little more and do graphical analysis for sample set 2 for the data. And I'm going to start that up. So that is going to be manual entry again. And if you remember, there's a lot of information here. The instructions, that'll probably be a PDF, I think. And I'm going to use that data set. That's Mr. McChesney at Central, who's sending me a message probably about this very thing that I'm doing. Okay, so in here, I'm going to call this sample set 2 Forrest 2020. Don't want it in documents. I should change where that preference is. Okay, so data set 1. My x-axis, so the dependent variable goes over here and the independent variable goes over here. I'm comparing resistance and cross-sectional area of wires. So now there's no way to square something here, so I'm going to do caret 2. For this one, I'm going to title that resistance. And the units for that, those are ohms. And there we go. So 20 millimeters, 2.0 ohms. 18, 2.2. 16, 2.5. 14, 2.7, 12, 3.4, 10, 4.0, 8, 4.9, 6, 7.4, 4, 10.3, and 2, 19.5. I'm going to turn his notifications off. Okay, so a couple things here. That definitely looks like an inverse relationship. One of the things I don't like is I don't like that this is scaling from 2.5 to 2.5. So I'm going to adjust this. First of all, I'm going to edit graph options. I'm going to say resistance versus area, and I'm going to have always show 0, always show 0. Let's see if that did what I want it to do. If not, I might manually do it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah. Now, again, this is kind of weird. Why it does it to 19.5? How about 20? So it automatically basically knows that I'm manually doing this. All right. So now if I want to make a prediction here, obviously it's not. Oh, I don't need to do a prediction. Yikes. That's not what I want to do. Here, I want to apply a curve fit. Linear does not look good. Quadratic, not very good. Proportional, no. Inverse might look good. I'll try that. And that looks pretty good. That's a root mean square error of 0.3007. I'm also going to try inverse squared. Ooh, that doesn't look very good. See, I think this should be an inverse square relationship. So I am learning some things about this as well. Oh, no, I don't think it... No, I don't think so, because I've got the area. So that's okay. So we'll go back with the inverse relationship. Ugh. There we go. If it was versus diameter or radius, it would be inverse squared, but since I've already made an area, inverse makes sense to me now. So that's the best fit, and we could do a screenshot of that and print it off if you need to. Make sure you do know how to do a screenshot on your Chromebook, because I know you can't print that, but you could insert it as a picture as well. So I'm going to save that, and that should be good.